Hi, good morning, partners. So now this is the next video tutorial. Our topic today is on how to encode your downlines. But before we proceed, I would like to introduce myself. I am Roldan Rojas, network marketer and a business consultant. You can contact me through my Viber, WhatsApp, IMO, WeChat number +96565109729. My FB account fb.com/roasrodan, or you can email me through roasrodan@gmail.com. So first go to this link http dot ttc.globalink.com/login. And when you log in it will show just like this if you go to this link. So then you put your username here and your password. After that, sign in. And after you sign in, it will be show like this. This is the first upper in your screen, your dashboard. So now we go to I use the account of my partner William to encode his new downlines. Congratulations, partner, for your new downlines today. You got it. Your downlines. You are only 1 month, then you got downlines. Okay, keep it up, brother William. So first, on how to include new downlines is just open your account, right? This one, the dashboard, and then this one, go to genealogy. Go to genealogy, click this one, and after that, just a moment. After that, click which would you like to put your downlines. So I will put it here before we because this one, this is his registration form. So this registration form is where is it? Oh, this one in the right PG. Okay, let's proceed. Here is the genealogy, right? His first account that in the left side one account, the right side two accounts, which is this one, brother pet, and his second account, third account. Now let's connect here your new downlines. So let's connect it here. Let's connect it here in the left side below the upline of account number two. So click it here, the cursor or point to number four, and then click register. Then after that, click it here, then register to my downlines. Then here, can you write here username what you would really like. Okay, you write it here what username would you like. Just a moment, because I open my name, first name. His first name of his name is Kaya. Last name Baro. Baro. First name Kaya. Kaya. Middle name is Boni. Right? Just a moment. I check it here. Where is it? This one. This one. Like it here. This one. Name Baro. Last name Baro. Then first name Rao or Kaya. Kaya. Then then here middle name is Boni. Baro Boni. I check also here in my mobile phone. Kaya Bano Boni. Okay, right. Baro. Okay. This one Boni, right? Boni. Boni. Okay. Let's proceed now here. Then username. I make a username for this one partner. So later on, this will be your username. Okay. Okay. After this one partner, you can change this one the password later on because for you to keep this account for you, you are only one can open this one. Then birth date, month, date, and year. Date, and year is month is 5, date is 4, month 5, date is 4, then 1994. Okay. Then after that, then let's last name Baro, first name Kaya. Baro is the last name. First name is Kaya. Boni is the middle name. Okay, then next. After that one, okay, here the sponsor is PG8. This one the sponsor. His first account. This one first account here. Where is it? Let's show here this one first account. Oh, so PG815678. Okay, which one? Okay, and the security pin. The security pin is same like before. I was told you the security pin. This one the security. The user ID. This one the user ID PG493143106. Okay, just a moment. PG49. Here, put it here. PG49. 493106. PG493106. Then the security pin is this one. M6CB ISQ M6 M6CB IQ5 RB. Okay. M6CBI M6CBI is Q5RB is Q. Oh, is Q.